Hello, my presentation is on global ocean pollution. How much plastic is entering our ocean and who is responsible? My name is Joey Corrado. Currently, I'm a firefighter with St. Johns County Fire Rescue. My hobbies include surfing and spending time in the water. Unfortunately, while in the water, it's made me realize there's a lot of plastic and trash buildup in places like the intercoastal, the ocean, on the beach. Even traveling internationally, I've found plastic and trash buildup in countries such as Panama, Costa Rica, Nicaragua, and even Indonesia. It's made me realize plastic is a huge global issue. It not only affects marine life, but it also affects the biodiversity and the fish that we actually eat. Research focus. How much plastic is there and who is responsible? Why this topic, you ask? The ocean is everything to me. My first passion was surfing, swimming, lifeguarding, anything in the ocean, which throughout life that made me realize how great the beach and ocean actually are, which made me start participating in beach cleanups, which then made me realize how much plastic pollution there is locally and even more so globally. Plastic pollution is everyone's problem. My expectations. I would like to see buzzwords such as single-use plastic. I would also expect to see international resolutions and commitment to these resolutions. I'd also expect some countries would generate more waste than others. And additionally, I would expect efforts would have to be in an international scale just because the ocean surrounds everything. Some of the challenges and solutions I've had throughout this project were when I first searched for single-use plastics, there was also polymers, and polymers are actually single-use plastics, just another name for it. But polymers can be anywhere from foils, oils, rubbers, plastics, styrofoam, any kind of synthetic material like chip bags, razors, flip-flops. So the differences among these were very difficult to understand. Secondly, marine debris can be land-based or marine-based, such as on the land or like from commercial fishing is marine-based. Ultimately, I'd have to say the terminology was the biggest challenge for me. Summary of findings. How much plastic is entering the ocean? Annually, 8 million tons of plastic enter the ocean every year. That's 800,000, 222,000 Eiffel Towers, or 8 billion elephants. 80% of marine debris can be from a plastic. It is severely affects wildlife and coral. Corals are 85% more likely to contract disease after contact with plastic. Marine debris can take up to 600 years to decompose. Globally, 1.5 million tons of plastic enter the ocean via rivers. In 29 years, there is estimated to be more plastic in the ocean than fish. Summary of findings. Who is responsible for the copious amounts of pollution in the ocean? Eastern Asia and the Asian Pacific region account for 60% of global mismanaged waste pollution. Mismanaged waste pollution is waste intended for landfill or recycling that ends up in the environment. 20 plastic producers make 50% of all single-use plastic pollution. Plastic pollution in the ocean may triple within the next 19 years. Current government and corporate commitments will only reduce the amount of plastic falling in the ocean by 7%. The ocean and its resources are common pool resources, resources that are not governed by one body, example, water or fish. When left unregulated due to the lack of governance, common pool resources can degrade. What I learned. Efforts to reduce pollution in the ocean must be made on a local scale, on a global scale, and with strong backing by leading nations. Also, efforts to reduce pollution in the ocean must be made with a collective understanding of criticality, urgency, and the importance of marine life. Some recommended sources I'd recommend were nonprofit reports, academic articles, and most importantly, just locals that live by the ocean and water and are passionate about cleaning up the beach and ocean. Some benefits, better understanding to share with my friends, with family, with coworkers. I'd say the biggest benefit is to spread awareness and help reduce plastic. Thank you.